Welcome back to our Ivey family Factotum channel. Anson is putting the bucket on the tractor. Making sure he's securing it. There it goes. Hi.
Bucket change.
Okay. You ready? Yep, gotta move some stuff in order to close the chicken coop, or, you know, close the fencing part. So he's got a lot of wood to load up and put all the way over there in the wood pile, because we're trying to clear up all of this stuff here so that eventually we're able to close this paddock. Yeah. Hi guys. There were some dogs here a while ago. Anson said he saw them over there by the bridge while I was having lunch, and when he said that, I just got my shoes and ran out. I had to make sure that, you know, my bird babies were okay. Yeah, I was looking for them, trying to count every single one of them, and they were all there. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, kiddo's almost gonna be home soon. Oh yeah, as you can tell, I am getting notifications of her coming home. So hopefully she'll be able to help out some too. Be nice. What do you think, babe? Do you think she'll help us a little? I hope so.
Doubt it.
Maybe I could persuade her, since some Amazon things came in for her. We shall see. Well, we're gonna get to cleaning up this area, and we'll see you in a second. So we have finally cleared out this whole spot here, cleared out of wood. So that's all out. Now I have 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 little piles of, you know, just, you know, the skin of the trees and brush and all that stuff. So Anson went ahead and started moving all of the rocks from this pile here. So this pile has a whole bunch of stuff in it. So what he's doing right now is just he's scooping it up by the buckets and dropping them off over there by the pond, and we will sift through it some other day. And we're doing this in order to finally clear out everything in the paddock. We're gonna place the little chicken coop, the little gray one, somewhere over there for now. All of these little egg laying bins that we have here are also going to be moved over, and I'm probably going to set on fire this thing and use the parts, the metal parts. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. we cleared out the other day. That's right outside the paddock on the edge of the creek. And every time he comes back, he's smoothing it out. Makes it a lot easier. So whenever we need to clear out things around it, it's easily accessible. But yeah. All right. Bye-bye, Pio.
And dirt mound is after. Well, dirt mound is gone, so here is the after. And sun is setting. It's already down below the trees, so I still got like a few little pieces of trash that I need to pick up. Stuff, because yeah, this was a big mess. But I do still want to kind of come through here before I put in this next section of fence. And this section of fence, I want to come in through with the box blade and just kind of get stuff flattened out a little gooder and such. And then still getting some T-posts from around, but that means I need to take this off. So with that being said, I'll see you in the morning. Morning, Snowball. Good morning, No Name. Good morning, Giggles. Good morning, Lulu. I hear you. Good morning. You're silly. Silly goose. All right, folks. Well, top of the morning to you. Let's get you all adjusted up here. So, basically, I left you off with moving all of that dirt mound. There's a lot more dirt than actually I remember there being. So, but yeah, we got all of that moved. And yes, madam. Oh, I didn't give you your hugs. I'll get to you in 1 second. Okay. So, as of this morning, I'm still waiting. Today's the big day, right, of our big delivery. And if you want to be able to see that, you're going to have to get over to our side channel, which is the Scuttlebutt with IFF, to see the big reveal on that. That video should have already came out by the time you're watching this. So definitely get over to that channel to check out what that is. But while I'm waiting, it should be here in about an hour, within an hour or two. But I'm going to go ahead and fire up the tractor, get over, get the box blade, and just go through and just kind of level out that area just a little bit better, a little bit gooder, as Jason would say, right? And then, yeah, I will be able to start working on the fence, but you'll have to watch that in the next video coming up. All right, well, let me get the tractor fired up. Let me go get the box blade, and we'll bring you right back. I know, come here. Oh, come here. Oh, I see you. I see you. I gotta work. Okay. See you in a sec. I gotta work. All right, there we go. Got the box blade onto the tractor. So, and I'm not gonna torture y'all with going through and watching. I mean, I'll probably do a quick time lapse of just going through, because I want to kind of get this flattened out a little bit, and also along the fence line. But then I've been really needing to kind of go up and down our driveway a little bit, because I don't know if you can kind of tell, it's fairly overcast today. And with that being said, we do have rain that will be coming here in the very, very near future, because, you know, as we get into rainy season and then winter and all those things, right, water needs to go somewhere. And I've been working a little bit, you know, on other projects you've already seen, or should have already seen, you know, stuff I've already done down the driveway. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing that kind of off camera. But like I said, come back to see us, because we're gonna finish up this pen by getting the rest of this fence done. But this is all stuff that I needed to do, and I still need to move the doghouse, because Lilu's also coming inside here. And as of right now, I don't have a gate set up, that I can bring the tractor in. So I'm trying to do everything I need to do before putting the fence in. And yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. So, all right, y'all. Well, I'm so excited today. I'm so excited because they should be here in about 30 minutes. Hey, there we go, short and sweet. So, I mean, obviously, there's still going to be like a little bit of rocks right here, like where the fence will be going. That's fine. I can just move that stuff out the way. But I got this fairly, I mean, obviously dragging in some of this stuff. All this right here is going to be chicken run. So, I already know I'm mainly just trying to scrape, like if there was any leftover trash, we're going to kind of comb through it a little bit better. But rocks I can move by hand. Grass I can rake out, all that stuff. I'm not too worried about it. Like little things like this, sticks, right? Chickens are going to do what chickens are going to do. They're going to go through it anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get to doing some of this other projects that I was wanting to do off camera. But like I said, if you like to stick around on this journey we call life, this fence is going to be coming up next, getting this whole thing finished off. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed. Share us out, help us grow, it's greatly appreciated. And then if you'd like to stick around a little bit further, go ahead and check out this video we have right here. Or the whole year's playlist is over on this side. We'll continue to grow as the year progresses. Then we have those icons up at the top. Makes it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel I was talking about. Go check that out, it's greatly appreciated. And last but not least, always get out there, thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, friends.